Hi student, once again welcome to Shram Shakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Myself Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, in today's lecture we are going to learn 6th standard subject English lesson 1.7 Paramveer Chakra our hero. So student, in previous 3 lectures we had seen that information about Paramveer Chakra medal and we see information about Indra Vajra. But in today's lecture, we are going to learn about 21 bravest of the brave Paramveer Chakra holders' name and some information about the Paramveer Chakra heroes. So student, now you open your textbook and listen carefully. I will explain. Student, you open your textbook and page number 21. First, we have seen the 21 bravest of the brave Paramveer Chakra holders' name. So, these are the names of bravest of the brave soldiers. First is Major Somnath Sharma. Then, second one is Lance Naik Karam Singh. Then, second Lieutenant Rama Raghuba Rane. Then Naik Jadunath Singh. Then Company Havildar Major Piru. Then Captain Gurvachan Singh Salaria. Then Major Dhan Singh Thapa. Subedar Joginder Singh. Major Shaitan Singh. Then next Company Quartermaster Havildar Abdul Hamid. Then next is Lieutenant Colonel Ardeshir Burjoji Tarapore. Then Lance Naik Albert Ikka. Then second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal. Then Major Hoshiar Singh. Naib Subedar Bana Singh. Major Ramaswamy Parasheswaram. Then Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey. Then Grenadier Yogender Singh Yadav. Rifleman Sanjay Kumar. Captain Vikram Batra. Then Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. So student, these are name of 21 bravest of the brave Paramveer Chakra holders' name. These are our soldiers who had given the Paramveer Chakra. So student, now we see some information about Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. Students, see here the picture of Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon. This is flying and he was a flying officer. See here. On the 14th of December 1971, Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy cyber aircraft. Flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon was on readiness duty at that time. So student, this has happened on the 14th of December 1971 and at Srinagar airfield. Airfield means an area of land, means where aircraft can land or take off. This place is called airfield, or an airfield is smaller than airport. So student, airfield is smaller than airport, and where land aircraft can land or take off, it is called airfield. So at Srinagar airfield was attacked by a wave of 6 enemy cyber aircraft, and this airfield was attack of 6 enemy cyber aircraft, and at that time flying officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon was on readiness. Readiness means he is prepare duty at that time, and he could not take off immediately. Why he could not take off? Because of clouds of dust raised by another aircraft, so he could not take off immediately. And by the time the runway was clear, the enemy aircraft was overhead, and then they were flying low, firing and attacking the airfield with bombs, and enemies are flying low and they firing and attacking the airfield and with bombs. Then even the flying officer Sekon took off in his jet fighter the moment he could. He began to combat the powerful powerful cyberjet aircraft of the enemy, and then he damaged two of them. So there were six enemies flying aircraft, and Sekon was damaged two of them, and he is fight with the attacking aircraft. Now continue at rate of height, and at last student, the enemy aircraft fled from the scene of battle. There is make a scene of battle. The airfield and the town of Srinagar were saved, and the second was save the airfield of town of Srinagar. But alas, flying officer Sekhon's aircraft to crush, and he was killed, and very sadly flying officer Sekhon's aircraft to crash and he was killed. So student, then flying officer Sekhon displays great flying skill and determination. So student, flying officer Sekhon display means show. He show his great flying skill and determination. So student means the Sekhon, flying officer Sekhon shows his flying skill and also his strong determination in the face of certain death, and he show unmatched. Unmatched means not match in anything. Heroism above and beyond the call of duty. So student, salute to the bravest of the brave flying officer Nirmaljeet Singh Sekhon. So student, we all student fly salute to this bravest of brave flying officer, means he sacrificed his life from our country. So student, now here see, do read more on the internet at www.paramveerchakra.com about the Kent PVC awardees who laid down their lives in the sacrifice of the country, and you will see that they belong to various communities and religions. Do find and read the inspiring accounts of how they faced the enemy without any regard for their fatal wounds and physical pain. So student, if you want, do read more information. So on the internet, you search this site www.paramveerchakra.com and see information about bravest of the brave our soldiers information, and then you will see that they belong to various communities and religions. So student, when we see these names of bravest of the brave our soldiers, so they belong to various community, means their surname is here Batra, Sekhon, Kumar, Pandey. They different types, various communities and also religions. So do find and read the inspiring accounts. So accounts means a description of an event, means what happened with they. So of how they face enemy without any regard for their fatal wounds. Fatal means causing or ending in death, and wounds means an injury to part of your body. So if you want to see how they face the enemy without any regard for their fatal wounds and physical pain, so you search this website www.paramveerchakra.com. And again all students, salute to the bravest of the brave our soldiers. So student, you understand this lesson? Yes. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson. Okay, student, thank you. Stay home, stay safe.